Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak cheesy bread. So the steak that I'm going to be using today is a boneless ribeye steak. You want to make sure you season it well on both sides. I'm using some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Next we're going to take our steak and we're going to add it to a screaming hot skillet. We want to get a nice sear on it. Now my steak is pretty thick, so I'm going to sear it on both sides. The recipe just says to sear it on one side, but I got a pretty thick steak here, so I went ahead and did it on both sides. So next we're going to take our steak out and let it rest, and then we're going to go in that same skillet, we're going to go ahead and add in our bell pepper and our onions. Now if you're using mushrooms, you want to add them in here. I don't like mushrooms. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper. Now in the recipe it says to add your Worcestershire sauce to your steak. I totally forgot, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to my onions and bell peppers. You're just going to continue to let that cook down until it gets nice and caramelized. Now to assemble everything together, we're going to take a French loaf that we cut in half, and we're adding some mayo. Now if you want to use garlic bread, that would be really good. It would add a lot of flavor, but I'm just using the mayo. So after you get your mayo on there, you want to go ahead and add some provolone cheese. And then we're going to start to layer our onions and bell peppers. And just a little bit of cheese on top. It's shredded mozzarella. Next we're going to add our steak. As you can see, it is still raw in the middle. I like my steak well done, so I was a little scared there, but it finished cooking in the oven perfectly. Now after that, I'm going to go ahead and add some more provolone cheese and a little bit more mozzarella, and then I'm going to add some seasonings on top of that, which was just some garlic, salt, and black pepper, and a little bit of parsley flakes. It's time to pop it in the oven. We're going to cook it at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And then when it's done, yum.